What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I got some Christmas lights that run on batteries. Oh, putting up little lights around the holidays are always fun. And one of the things that I have is a mantle over my fireplace, and it's got a little garland above it. And I thought, man, it'd be cool if there were some lights on it, but it doesn't have an outlet there. And so I can't run a little string of lights. And then I found this, and I'm not surprised. This is pretty clever, and you can add a little bit of sparkle in a lot of places where you don't either have power or you don't have a lot of stuff to light up anyway. Pull me out. That's what she said. So that'll activate the battery, create the connections in there. It looks like just a little plastic housing. You can see it's about the size of my thumb. Just like that. And then we have a little switch there. Everything is on a little copper wire. These are really typical, especially for like those outdoor lights that you'll permanently install, say on your bushes or wrap around a tree, that type of thing. So you can see we have a covered portion of the cable so you can hide the battery pack. This is almost about a foot long right there. So you're gonna have that lead, and then you have this little thin copper wire, and you can see how it's all wrapped up here for packaging. And then on the copper wire, they're kind of like lice on here. You can see you have these little dots with the LED emitter in them, so you aren't touching them. I'm not sure if they're like glue or something like that. They kind of feel like hot glue, dried hot glue, but you can see you have them on the cable, even all the way to the very end there. All right, so I got it unwrapped. It's pretty long. I'd call it like 5 feet, 60 inches of just the copper cable. And if I hit the power switch there, boom, look at that. Bright little yellow lights. Pretty awesome. Let's check them out in some decoration. All right, so I'm up here, and this is the mantle I'm talking about. And as you can see, even with the room lit up here with kind of like that soft, warm evening light, there's nothing really dynamic about it. So I've gone ahead and put the wire with the light in there, and it's pretty easy to string through there. I will say, because it is pretty thin and light, you actually have to be a little ginger with it because it's a little hard to kind of thread it through big stuff. But let's turn it on and see what it looks like. All right, and so there it is. You can see those little LEDs lit up, and it certainly gives this mantle just a little more pop, huh? And, in the holidays, all the pop you can get helps. I tell you what, it just gives a little bit more ambiance. It's super easy to install. They're really inexpensive. If you want to put these all over the place, you can see that even in that packet, which was only like $9, you get like 6 of these little holiday string lights. So you don't have to use them just in the holidays. Anywhere you want to add a little light where you don't have an outlet. I will put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.